What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. This is your Monday Madness video, and I got a great one for you. But what I need you to do right now is hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you to come along with us on the journey, guys, and check the description tab out. Tons of tools and tidbits to make you a more successful trader. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with me, then all I got to say to you is follow me, and let's go to war together. Traders War Room, let's get it. Before we get started, let's check on some alerts just so you guys know exactly how Traders War Room gets down. Entering Apple puts, full out position today, big money right there. NVDA puts, guys, take a look at that time and date stamp at the bottom. I can't make this stuff up, guys. 275 entry, 5 out, guys, all day, every day. Oh wait, there's more. Boom, like I said, consistently and profitable, guys. That's what we're about. Quit wasting that money that's not making money and come trade with the bulls at Traders War Room. Here's just some of the things that we offer. Guys, you can find more information at traderswarroom.com, but we have all that and then some. Guys, come trade with us and you will not regret it. Now, let's go ahead and get into the video. What's hot and what's not. Here's how your market's closed. It was a bloody day in the market and definitely was a good day for our puts. Futures are green across the board, but guys, don't get faked out with this, okay? We trade with the momentum, and that's what gets us the big paydays, okay? So if the momentum is strong to the bull side, we play bull. If it's strong to the bear side, we play bear. Guys, we got to follow the big money. We got to follow the trend. We got to follow the momentum. Top news, we got lawmakers unveiling bill to help news media negotiate with Google and Facebook. So a bipartisan group of U.S. lawmakers on Monday released a revised version of a bill aimed at making it easier for news organizations to negotiate collectively with platforms like Google and Facebook. So we're definitely paying attention to those. There's been a lot of news and some damaging news on the front of these big media giants, and so we're definitely following the trend. Next news, meme stocks fall with AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond in the red and some other ones, guys. So basically a clutch of stocks favored by retail investors tumbled on Monday in volatile trading as news that UK-based Cineworld warned of possible bankruptcy sent AMC Entertainment Holdings shares diving almost 40% on the day that the U.S. movie chain preferred shares started trading. That was those APE preferred shares. Both were down, and they actually said if you were still long AMC regular stock, you would lose money overall, basically with both of the APE shares and the AMC shares. So we're definitely paying attention to these retail meme type stocks because they're big news, they're big volume, and they're definitely volatile, so we can easily catch moves up and moves down that are dramatic. And we got the Musk in the news again, talking about documents from Jack Dorsey and fight over the Twitter deal. Basically, the billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk is seeking documents from Twitter. Co-founder Jack Dorsey is the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, pursues his legal fight to walk away from his $44 billion deal for the social media company, according to court filing. If you guys don't know about this, basically, it comes down to the idea that Twitter wasn't upfront with the active members and users that are on the Twitter deal, which made it more appealing for Elon Musk to go ahead and go so deep in with his deal. He wants a revised version of this particular thing, and Twitter is saying, no, the deal's final, blah, blah, blah. And so there's a lot of issues along that spectrum, okay? So definitely paying attention to it. Both Tesla and Twitter are in the crosshairs, and we want to make some money on the volatility and the volume and the trend. Moving into stocks, earnings this week, not as impressive as some of the previous weeks, but we still got some big names on the docket coming up with some earnings going into the closing out of this week. So we're definitely paying attention to some of these names. Big ones on deck are Macy's, Dick's, even Dole. I'm paying attention to Dole because that one is important because that is a huge brand name as far as, you know, fruits and vegetables is concerned. So that's in the crosshairs. Also got NVDA, got Affirm. There's a lot of moving pieces on us, so we're paying attention to these earnings. Just like all the other ones, we're just not expecting as dramatic of pushes into volatility with some of these names as we did with like Apple and Tesla and Microsoft, so on and so forth. Here's your dark pool block trades. Definitely seen a lot of pressure in SPY, QQQ, and some of the big name tickers. Total calls versus puts in the big tickers. about 50-50. However, the bears are leading the way, at least on the premium count as far as puts is concerned, with the big names SPY, Tesla, Q leading the pack. Here's your top gainers, top losers, and the most unusual volume that we have going on in the stock market today. I believe we still got a little bit more to go on SPY to the downside before we start seeing rejection from consolidation and support level. I think we get a little bit of rejection down here on Google, and I like this for a consolidating and then an eventual smooth return back to its previous high levels over the next 2 weeks. We probably got a little bit more downward pressure on this particular ticker, so I'm short-term bear, but once we hit that support level, it'll be a nice rejection point on this one back to the previous top. Lots of downgrades on this. I think we got some more downward pressure on this particular ticker until they figure out the advertising and the streaming underlying business aspect. Then we'll start to see the rejection point from the lower levels. However, until then, we're going down. Lots of news on layoffs and recalls and some litigation, stuff like that. So I think we come down from this point. Tesla, we'll probably see a push to the downside at opening bell, find some support, and then see a rejection to the upside. It's going to kind of travel sideways motion in between this particular range where it's at currently until we get a determination on the future of Tesla one way or the other. So I'm neutral on this one, but I'm going to go ahead and go with the bull. NVDA, I think we had a nice downward trend. We probably got a little bit more, but I think we're going to start seeing support, and I'm going to go ahead and say if we get some of the downward pressure tomorrow continuation, we'll get the rejection to the upside and see a bull play. I'm bullish on this ticker. I think we had a down day today, but I think earnings are going to do fairly well for this one, and I think we're going to break through the previous consolidation zone and start reaching new highs. Macy's, I'm bullish on this. I think that they're going to do fairly well with their new business plan, and I think we're going to see a potential push to making a new recent high. May get some down pressure, but that's why we buy time when we get ideas for forward-looking motion. So I do think in the coming weeks, this goes higher. That's it, team. Up next, we got hot upcoming Traders War Room products and services. Check out our inventory of upcoming and historical classes, guys. We have something truly on every type of topic and subject that a trader or investor could need or want to be a successful trader out there. So check us out at traderswarroom.com and see what we have. If you purchase the historical content, you can watch it right from the website 24/7, just like you would on like YouTube or some other video platforms. Struggling to become consistently profitable? Well, Traders War Room can help you out. Book a one-on-one mentoring session and allow our professionals to help you develop skills, gain confidence, receive guidance, refine your strategies, get a pro perspective, and explore new plans of attack. Guys, we are booking out on these very quickly, especially in this volatile market. So go ahead and book today and reserve your seat. Everybody who books a one-on-one session receives a recorded copy of it and a slideshow presentation. And finally, guys, if you're serious about trading and want to truly learn how to make money, take our Traders War Room Option Fundamentals course. This is a formal professional course that's 6 weeks long. You get 2 classes per week, and it has a virtual classroom just like you would receive at an online university. Registration is open and class starts 30 August. Learn more at traderswarroom.com. And with so much to offer, guys, here's all of our links to all of our trading platforms and informational websites. Guys, we want you to take Traders War Room along with you on your investing and trading journey. And once again, guys, quit wasting that money that's not making money. Come trade with the bulls at Traders War Room. And from all of us at Traders War Room and our official Battle Buddy Rocket, we want to say thank you for coming along with us on the journey. And we hope that you guys go out there and attack, conquer, and destroy the market. And remember that Traders War Room looks at the stock market like a war zone, and the stocks in the sector are our battles, guys. We do it together as a team, and we're always out there to destroy. Now, if that sounds good and it's something you can rock with, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war together. Traders War Room, let's go out there and make some money.